Hi, fourth grade friends. Okay, I really need your help. Pirate Pete just called, and he is really struggling right now. He has 3 crew members aboard his ship who are very angry. They're angry because they feel as if they should get an equal share in the treasure that he has. Pirate Pete has 396 gold coins. He wants to make sure that each of those crew members get the same number of coins so there's no fighting or arguing, but he just has no clue how many they should each get. So he called me because he knows that we're working on division and he knew that we can help him. Okay, so we're going to use a new strategy called repeated subtraction to help him. What's really great about repeated subtraction is that it breaks it down into smaller parts, all right? Now, what I thought would help is if we represented the number of gold coins he has with base 10 blocks. So let's just make sure that I have represented that correctly. He has 396 gold coins. The digit 3 is in the hundreds place, which means I should have 3 hundreds blocks. Okay, so far so good. The digit 9 is in the tens place, which means I should have 9 tens blocks. Okay, let's check. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Correct, 90 or 9 tens. Okay, and last but not least, he has 6 ones. Okay, 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so far so good. We have the correct number of gold coins. Now we need to help him share these gold coins equally with his crew members. Okay, now we are going to give each crew member a bin, okay, or some sort of container to hold all of their gold coins in. Okay, now don't forget, Pirate Pete wants to make sure each crew member is happy. Each crew member needs the same number of coins, okay? So we are going to keep track of how many we have given to each bin and use our repeated subtraction right over here. Okay, now what I've already noticed is that I have 3 crew members, 3 bins. Well, when I was going through the coins, I noticed that I also had 3 hundreds blocks. That tells me that each crew member can actually get 100 gold coins. They will all 3 of them will all get that same amount, 300 here, okay? 100 plus 100 plus 100 is 300. I need to take that amount away now from his total because I have already given them to each crew member. Now, 396 minus 300 is 96. I have 96 more gold coins to share with these crew members. So we're going to go one at a time, and we're going to divide those tens blocks equally into these bins, okay? So this crew member gets 10, this crew member gets 10, and this crew member gets 10, okay? I noticed that I have at least 3 more over here, so I'm going to keep going actually with the tens. Okay, I'm kind of thinking in larger groups right now. Okay, I am going to put 10 more in each. Okay, but if you look very carefully over here, how many more tens do we have? 1, 2, 3. That means that we can actually give Pirate Pete's crew members 10 more blocks. Oh my gosh, they're going to be so happy with all of these coins. I know I would be if I was Pirate Pete's crew member. Okay, we got to keep track. How many coins did we just share with these crew members? We need to add all of these up. 10, 20, 30. Okay, so this is 30. This is also 30. So 30 plus 30 is 60. And I notice I have 30 more here. So 30 plus 30 plus 30, that's 90. Okay, so I need to take that away from my total. This is where that repeated subtraction is coming in. And that leaves me with just 6 coins. Well, I know that 6 is a multiple of 3. When I skip count by 3s, I will land on 6. 3, 6. That tells me now that each crew member can get 2 more coins each. So this crew member gets 2, this crew member gets 2, and this crew member gets 2. 2, 4, 6. We're going to take that away from our total, And that leaves us with no more gold coins, which means we have officially helped out Pirate Pete. Okay, but what number do we tell him? How many coins does each crew member get? Well, all I have to do is I just have to add up the total number of coins that I have in these bins. I have 100, okay, I have 30, and then I have 2. If I add all of that up, each crew member should get 132 coins. Now, let's just check to make sure. I don't want Pirate Pete to have any arguments on his ship. So here's a great way to check if you're right. We're going to take this quotient, or the answer to this problem, 132, and we're going to multiply it by 3. I'm going to use the standard algorithm for multiplication to find out if we're right. 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 1 is 3. Oh my gosh, friends, we have successfully helped Pirate Pete. Pirate Pete should give each of his crew members 132 coins. And this right here, this quick check shows that we did this correctly. Way to go. I know Pirate Pete is going to be so happy and so proud of you for helping solve this problem.